Well. Ako excited na ako sa paparating na palatuntunan na ito kasi 'di ba? Bongga yung title. Very intriguing. Ito po si Alwin Ignacio, ang diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And of course, you are watching the Kitty Show, Tarayan at Talakian Showbiz Edition. So, Mare, let's talk about Silent Noise. This is the latest programming from
ABS-CBN.
ABS-CBN na ilalabas sa Prime Video. Tama ba ako? So, what can you say about the show? Because I believe you panood mo yung first episode. Ano yung mga highlights ng first episode?
Yung anak nila
Zanjo at Angelica.
Zanjo at Angelica played by KD Umalin.
Mm-hmm.
Ang galing ng bata.
Okay.
Kasi parang deaf mute yata siya, di ba?
Deaf yung character
deaf
niya.
lang. Deaf lang nakapagsalita naman. Tawag dito? Parang sa kanya iikot ang storya.
Okay.
Kasi parang the way I understood it, kasi parang sa kanya magpo-focus yung storya because his story, his version of truth will be the foundation of the series of the series, di ba?
But in real life, KD is not deaf mute. It's not
Hindi,
deaf.
hindi.
Matatas na matatas.
Ano siya, nag-audition. Talagang sila, the director, talagang
So direct honor.
personally chose him kasi he was the best among the auditionists.
Why is it called Silent Noise?
Di ba contradicting, silent tapos noise, di ba? Kasi siguro because there was silence on the death of the character of Mylene Dizon. But at the same time, it's making noise.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi the manner by which she died was intriguing.
Parang ang nangyayari as the series progresses, who did it? Sinong tumegik sa character ni Mylene?
Or it was self-inflicted.
Okay.
'Di ba? Yun ganun story ng kwento, 'di ba?
So, kamusta si Zanjo at si Angelica? Kasi 'di ba their last project together
And Mary
was a big hit sa MMFF.
MMFF.
Doon magkaibigan sila, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Yun ang natatandaan ko sabi sa press.
Magkaibigan ba sila?
Magkaibigan sila doon. Nagkaroon ng romantic pero parang hindi ko alam kung natuloy o hindi. But this time, pareho silang maghihiwalay sa asawa. Na naging magkaibigan sa unmarried. Sa unmarried. Tapos hindi ko alam kasi I did not see the movie, kung nagkatuloy sila in the end. But dito, they're husband and wife.
Husband and wife.
Diba? Kamusta ang dynamics nila on screen as husband and wife sa first episode?
Perfect. Talagang makikita mo. Pero, the initial episode, you can sense the hesitance of Sanjo Marudo's character. Parang may alam siya dun sa kaganapan because parang ang thinking ng mga manonood, he was the lover of Mylene Dizon's character.
Ano parang pinapalutang sa first episode.
Pero siya, tama yung sinabi niya na parang nahalata, pero parang hindi nahalata. Very challenging yon. Kasi, di ba, parang you were giving away clues, pero at the same time, you're not giving away clues. Yun yung character niya. Tsaka, ang galing ni Mylene. Di ba? Very convincing ang kanyang portrayal of a teacher na, private teacher ni KD Umalin. And KD Umalin was very nice. Ang galing ng batang yun. Alam mo, yung masasabi ko sa ABS-CBN, they are perfect in honing young talents. Yung talagang pag na-discover ka nila, you're a brilliant talent.
Diba? Si Zajan nandun.
Tsaka yung batang yung Saving Grace, di ba? Ang galing-galing ng batang yun, di ba?
Isa pang curious, did si Angelica now at si Zanjo ay parehong parents? Nag-iba ba ang pagganap nila bilang mga magulang on screen ngayon totoong mga magulang na sila? Alam ko sabi ni Angelica parang mas dati ina-arty lang pero ngayon daw parang mas naman niya. Tama ba ako sa pagkakatanda?
Yeah, tawag dito si Sanjo kasi nag-change yung kanyang kasi may before wala siyang kondisyones when accepting assignments. Now that he's a father and a husband, nag-change na.
Mhm.
Kasi syempre, may anak ka, di ba? Tapos mawawala ka ng ano. Ang pinaka prime consideration na is the location. It has to be near Manila. Pero ito kasi, it's too good to pass. Kaya, kahit
It's-
mamalayo,
It's too good to
tinanggap niya.
pass a project.
Mm-mm.
Oo. Kasi
Kaya,
Angelica, anong drama naman niya?
ayun, ganun din. Tawag dito, na, sabi niya, all points to a yes. Kasi, siyempre, kakasimula pa lang ng ano, di ba? Kakatapos lang nila nung MMFF nila last December. Tapos, she was offered this. Sabi niya, yung script, kasi before, when the project is pitched to her, pag hindi niya type, parang dead ma lang siya.
Oo.
Pero now,
Nung nabasa niya yung script, na-engross siya kaagad.
she was so engrossed, she was so interested, she readily said yes.
Mhm. Ako, what I also find most impressive is the fact that most of the ABS-CBN programs, lalo na yung mga dramas nila, nakakapasok talaga sa international viewing platform.
Oo, kasi
Paano na nagagawa yun, sis?
it's because they offer something new each time.
Mhm.
'Di ba? You look at tag dito, Dirty Linen,
Oo.
'di ba?
Saving Grace.
Saving Grace. You look at kasi yung Saving Grace, international appeal na yun. Kasi, was it a South Korean,
This was
South
formerly
Korean project?
drama.
Oo.
Pero to original.
Oo. Tapos there was, yung, tawag dito, yung version ni Kim na secretary.
Oo, yun. Oo.
Tapos yung, yung kay Jody Santa Maria, Lavender Field, di ba? Kasi the material is always new. Although the team,
Although the tropes are...
the story arc may be the same, pero they are given new
the way it's executed.
a new list and new list in dramatization, execution, yung mga ganon.
Ay, isa pang very impressed ako is yung paano sila mag-casting. Diba? Lagi talagang lahat ng yung mga pang-international projects nila, walang tulak-kabigi ng cast.
Yeah.
Talagang alam mo na, deserve niya, kaya sa kanya napunta tong role na to. Kasi ganito siya kahusay, ganito siya
tignan mo yung Incognito, lahat yung 5 yon, perfect. Di ba? 5 o 6 ba yun? Perfect, di ba? Everything is taken care of.
Sa tingin mo, Silent Noise will be really noisy online and people will really love and support it?
Oo, kasi tawag
Family
dito.
drama.
Oo, tsaka, tawag dito, it's something new. Di ba? New for us to see and new for the cast to act out, di ba?
And I think one of the newest ingredient here is yung sign language.
Oo,
Di ba?
mahirap
na parang
yun.
lahat ng cast,
Sabi nga ni CJ, minsan nagkakamali-mali siya. So, naluloka na lang sila. That's not how it is, how it should be done.
Expression ng mga kamay.
Pero meron kasi silang guide.
Oo, yung grupong, ano pangalan ng grupo yun?
I forgot
FLC, parang gano'n. Diba? So ako, natutuwa lang ako na a person na, alam mo naman natin, ang mga deaf people are in a way marginalized, na dahil sa soap na ito, nabibigyan ng boses. At mas maraming mga tao makakaunawa
Alam
sa
mo,
kanila.
that's the thing with ABS. Meron silang social relevance.
Yes.
'Di ba? Even if they're doing drama katulad niyan, walang iba nakakagawa ng ganyan. Sila lang 'yun.
Ako I'm excited kasi yung KD, bibong-bibo eh.
Oo.
Sa Q&A. At Inglesero.
Oo, Inglesero. I mean, from how he speaks, maano mo na, oh my God, this is a very parang bright student,
Oo.
'di ba?
At talagang kasi nga batang-bata pa siya. So yung absorption niya ng knowledge of the sign language. Di ba sabi niya parang weeks lang?
Oo.
Nakuha niyo na agad. Alam niyo na kaagad.
Kailangan malaman niya kasi rolling na sila the next time, 'di ba?
Oo. Di ba? At ako tuwa-tuwanan ako na gusto ko rin na yung dating child wonder nila, si Zyjan, ay kasama sa soap.
Oo.
At ngayon kuya-kuya na siya, di ba? Hinasabi pa nga na isang nating katoto na baka siya talaga siya talaga ang salarin.
Oo nga.
Dahil di ba yung mga tingin-tingin niya daw, parang,
Yeah.
parang gustong, nagsusumigaw na siya talaga ang salarin.
Yeah.
But, That's very good for Zaijan. I think he's one of the better actors of his generation.
Oo, talagang lalamunin ka ni Zaijan kung di ka magaling na aktor, di ba? Yung mga scenes niya, di ba? Kasi there is sensitivity in Zaijan's character Kasi parang in the end or later in the episode, dun mo malalaman kung ano talagang character meron siya.
And I think they only have 10 episodes. Tama
Yeah,
ba ako? 10 episodes sa Prime Video.
Starting March 20.
Diba?
Ay! Nung kahapon lang.
Diba? So, I hope sa mga nanonood kahapon, na-enjoy nyo ang first episode na napanood na rin namin lahat. Diba? At dahil dyan, iniimbitahan po namin kayong manood sa aming Diario Tirada YouTube channel at syempre pa sa aming Facebook pahina. Pinapalabas po ang Kitty Show tuwing Sabado at Linggo, alas 4 ng hapon. Ako po si Alwin Ignacio, the Divo that you love. Kasama ko syempre pa aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
At maraming salamat po sa panonood sa The Kitty Show. Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. Happy Sabado po sa ating lahat!